Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. This is Mindy Miranda. My name is Miranda. Over here on this channel, I focus on mommyhood, wife life, family, DIYs, hauls, savings, and self-care. So if that is something that interests you or that you like, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to follow along. So getting started this morning, I was full of energy and needed to complete some of the housework, some cleaning the night before, or well, the day before. I had a dentist appointment, and when I got back home, my face was still numb. I had a little bit of a migraine, so I really didn't do anything the night before. So the boys pretty much ate whatever. Cleaning was non-existent, so I definitely got up extra early before I had to wake up the boys, just to kind of knock some stuff out of the way so that I had more time to do the things I needed to do after I dropped them off.
Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind, and it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. Bring you love now and forever. For my hurt, you are the cure.
Here's what the main level looked like. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but I did cook the previous night, so I needed to do dishes, and the boys had some of their school stuff. We had trash and papers that needed to be put away, so it definitely needs a pickup.
You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah. You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure.
Now the main level of our house, we're just pretty much living in it in this in-between state. We purchased our home, we're in our second year. So we have a major demo DIY renovation coming. Hopefully, I'm looking to get started on that towards the end of this year, maybe the beginning of next year. And when I say major demo, like we're knocking down walls, we're adding rooms, we're completely demoing the kitchen. So I'm just like, no, we're not purchasing anything for this main level until we complete that project, because it is going to be a task. We've talked to a couple of contractors to kind of get some estimates. So like I said, I'm super excited to go ahead and get this project started. But in the meantime, I am finishing up our master bedroom and bath. And then when we move down here, you guys, of course, will see the transformation that will come.
Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of if you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
I just have so many things that I want to do, and I'm really trying to hone in on exactly what I want. I think, like I said before, when you purchase a home, you're super excited to get things decorated and just complete and finish. But I am really, really trying to take my time so that I love everything about my home.
Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself. Ooh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bull. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bull. Tell them no, 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 no. They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the out. You got their backs, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, oh, oh. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bull. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it.
this area, the living room and the sunroom, right now is just being used for storage. So anything that I'm buying for the house, those are the drawers to one of the dressers outside. So like I said, storage. And the boys and Kevin use this to practice Muay Thai, and also they're into puzzles right now. So as you can see, they're putting together a puzzle, and I'm just going to kind of straighten up around that and not disturb their project. You guys know I prefer to sweep downstairs with carpet. It's just easier for me. I really would prefer not to have carpet on my stairs, and that will be another project. We will be completely ripping the carpet up on the stairs and even through the hallway upstairs. So until then, I will be doing this.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Y'all just don't know how many projects I have. I keep telling my husband the things that I want to do, and he just keeps looking at me like, you're just gonna keep adding things to the list? Yes, yes I am. But in the end, he is going to love it. I know that he is.
Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over.
Cam, I guess he woke up and crept down the stairs. And I think he had about 20 more minutes before I went upstairs to wake them up for school. But he was already up. I think he was up watching PBS Kids. I'm just telling him not to step on my freshly mopped floor. And I'm just gonna finish up mopping. And I will be done.
In a blurry dream, no one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
And this is what we're looking like after I cleaned up.
What it took to making you like a blossom of a tree.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my early morning clean with me, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.